to today's Power Packs video series. Today I'm here with Mike Langen from Sterling Surface Technologies. Hello Mike, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and your company?
Absolutely. Thank you. There's nothing I rather do than talk about myself and our company and the product that we provide. I've been doing this for over 30 years. Sterling Surface Technologies was incorporated in 2002, and since then we have been doing repairs and restorations on CI cylinders globally.
So talking about CI drums, why is it so important to have a coating on there?
Well, there's a number of good reasons. One of them in particular is to protect it from corrosion. Plus, our coating provides a very dense surface at less than 2% in porosity. So you're able to have a good print quality on a surface that provides that.
So what are some common issues that you guys see in the field?
Well, still, even after 30 years, we see corrosion in different types of aspects. Of course, in your day-to-day wear and tear, you can have damage that is created either by human error or mechanical error. And those kinds of situations can result in everything from little nicks, dings, and scratches, and heavy impacts.
And that'll overall affect the print quality then?
Absolutely. When you have a damage on a CI drum, it's going to reflect in the final product of the print because if, as an example, if there is a deep scratch or a large dent, it will not print in that area.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit about why PCMC's manufacturing process of the CI drum is unique?
Well, what makes it unique is that PCMC has designed and manufactured their own CI cylinders. They don't get it from another company. They literally build them here. And they invited a company like Sterling in-house, inside their building, to come in and provide what we consider one of the best coatings in the industry. So we have our own spot that we work and we spray and apply our coating onto the CI drum. And with that, they have a quality control. So at the end of every project, there is an inspection, an evaluation, and a sign-off that is done collectively between PCMC's engineers and Sterling technicians.
That's cool. So why is Sterling's coating superior?
Well, to say superior is a kind of a bold statement, but at the same time, we are very proud of it. Again, just from a porosity base in the surface texture at less than 2%, it provides the top quality printability surface. Also, it has a hardness, which is referred to in Rockwell's, a little under 50 Rockwell C. So it can resist damages of day-to-day wear. Nothing is bulletproof, nothing is damage-proof, but it gives that longer life, especially in the wear aspect. And contrary to what you might think, plastic is abrasive and it can wear on a cylinder, especially when it's running at thousands of feet a minute.
That makes sense. Is your coating repairable at all?
Absolutely. That is one of the great factors about our coating is applied and provided at twice, sometimes three times thicker than other applications such as chrome or nickel plating. So when those get damaged, doesn't leave a lot of room to repair those. Our coating is repairable and it's also pliable. So in cases of expansion and contraction, it will grow and shrink with the diameter of the cylinder.
That makes sense. Thank you, Mike, for joining me today.
No, thank you, Rachel.
Yes, for sure. See you all soon for future videos. We hope you gained valuable insights from today's video.
For more in-depth videos and updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on LinkedIn.
Be sure to comment below if there are any topics you'd like us to cover in the future.
Happy converting and keep practicing your craft. Thank you.